In this question, two statements are given. One is assertion and the other is the reason. And in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Now, assertion states that breastfeeding during the initial period of infant growth is recommended by doctors for bringing a healthy baby. Now, this is correct because breastfeeding during the initial period of infant growth is highly recommended by doctors for promoting a healthy baby because breast milk provides essential nutrients as well as immune protection. Now, the reason states that the colostrum contains several antibodies absolutely essential to develop resistance for the newborn baby. Now, this is also correct because colostrum, which is the first milk produced by the mother, is very rich in antibodies like antibody A as well as other immune factors. And these are very important for helping the newborn to develop resistance to infections and build its immune system. Thus, both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Hence, the correct answer is option C.